I bought and tested these e-bike conversion kits so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. As someone who loves biking but wants a little extra power for those tough hills, I've put these products through their paces. Let's dive into the top 5 kits that can transform your regular bike into an electric powerhouse. Product number 1. Bafang Electric Bike Conversion Kit, Mid-Motor bbshd. I recently installed the Bafang Electric Bike Conversion Kit, and let me tell you, it was an experience. The first time I pedaled away, I felt like I was flying. This kit transforms your regular bike into an electric marvel with a powerful 750-watt motor that can reach speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. I chose this kit because I wanted something reliable for my daily commute, and it didn't disappoint. The installation was straightforward. It came with all the necessary components: the motor, an LCD display, brake lever, and even a thumb throttle. I spent a Saturday afternoon in my garage following the manual, and by evening, my hybrid bike was fully electrified. The battery, with a solid 15 Ah capacity, offers a range of about 80 kilometers on a single charge, which is perfect for my usual routes. I loved how the kit gives you 2 riding modes, e-bike and pedal support. On days when I felt energetic, I switched to pedal support and enjoyed a good workout. On others, I could just cruise smoothly with the electric assist. The only downside? The weight of the battery can be noticeable when pedaling without assist. But when you're zooming down the street, who cares about a little extra weight? The Bafang system is also compatible with disc brakes, which added to my comfort and safety. In summary, if you're looking for a powerful conversion kit with great features, easy installation, and the flexibility of riding modes, this Bafang kit is a winner. It's a fantastic investment for anyone wanting to enhance their biking experience. Product number 2. Bafang 36-volt, 48-volt, 250-watt to 500-watt, 750-watt to 1,000-watt UART version mid-drive kits. I tried the Bafang mid-drive kits and wow was I impressed. This kit is compatible with a wide range of bike types, which is a huge plus. I had a mountain bike and it fits seamlessly. One of the standout features of the Bafang BBS02B I installed was its powerful motor, capable of reaching a max torque of 116 Newton meters. This made climbing steep hills feel like a walk in the park. I remember one particularly challenging hill on my commute, and I breezed right up it. The top speed of 25 kilometers per hour was exhilarating, and the 9 levels of pedal support offered by the C18 display allowed me to customize my ride to my liking. Installation was straightforward. The manual was easy to follow, and within just a couple of hours, I was ready to hit the road. However, it's worth mentioning that this kit doesn't come with certain accessories like displays or brake levers, which you'll need to purchase separately. This added a bit to my overall cost, but considering the performance, I felt it was worth it. If you're looking for a kit that offers excellent climbing performance and versatile compatibility, the Bafang mid-drive kits are a stellar choice. They deliver incredible power and reliability, making every ride enjoyable. Product number 3. 1500-watt peak power e-bike conversion kit. For those seeking serious power, the 1500-watt peak power e-bike conversion kit is a game changer. I was blown away by the performance of this kit. The high-torque brushless hub rotor allows for speeds over 40 kilometers per hour, which I felt during my exhilarating test rides. This kit is rugged and built for extreme mountain biking, which is exactly what I needed for my adventurous spirit. Setting it up was a breeze. It fits standard dropout sizes, making it versatile for various bike types. I took my bike on some rocky trails and, trust me, the heavy-duty aluminum alloy hub and reinforced spokes held up beautifully. The LCD display was intuitive, allowing me to monitor my speed and battery level easily. The twist throttle and pedal assist sensor worked in perfect harmony, providing a smooth and responsive riding experience. However, the absence of a battery in the package was a slight downside, but it gave me the freedom to choose the battery type that suited my needs best. Overall, if you're into mountain biking and need a kit that can handle the rough stuff while providing exhilarating speeds, this 1500-watt kit is a solid investment. It's durable, powerful, and gives you that adrenaline rush you crave. Product number 4, VBest Life Front Wheel Electric Conversion Motor Kit. The VBest Life Front Wheel Electric Conversion Motor Kit is another fantastic option I tested. This kit comes with a 1500-watt motor and is designed for front wheel conversion. What I appreciated the most was how it came with everything I needed: motor wheel, controller, LCD display, and even a shifter assist sensor. The aluminum alloy wheel ring felt sturdy and well-made, ensuring I could tackle any terrain. Installing it was a smooth process, and I was riding in no time. The LCD display was packed with features. It showed my speed, battery status, and even fault indications. This was super handy, especially on longer rides where monitoring battery life is crucial. One thing to note is the weight of the kit. While it adds some heft, it never felt cumbersome while riding. The power-off brake handles were a nice touch, ensuring safety during rides. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that provides all the essentials and is easy to install, the VBest Life Kit is a great choice. It balances power and user-friendliness, making it suitable for both newbies and seasoned bikers. Product number 5, DIY Electric Bike Conversion Kit 250W Brushless Motor and Controller. Last but certainly not least, I explored the DIY Electric Bike Conversion Kit by Baizifu. This kit aims to provide an affordable entry into the world of e-biking. With a 250W brushless motor, it's more suited for casual city and road biking, which I found appealing for my short neighborhood rides. The installation was straightforward, making it a perfect choice for those new to e-bike conversions. However, it's essential to note that this kit is not compatible with all bike frames. I had to double-check my bike specifications to ensure it would fit properly. The waterproof design is a significant advantage, especially for those unpredictable weather days. While it may not have the power of some higher-end kits, its simplicity and affordability make it a worthy contender. If you're just getting into e-bikes and want something that won't break the bank, this kit offers solid performance for city riding without complications. Overall, it's a fantastic entry-level option that provides just enough power for everyday use. In conclusion, each of these e-bike conversion kits offers unique features that cater to different types of riders. Whether you're looking for power, ease of installation, or budget-friendly options, there's something for everyone. I hope this review helps you find the perfect kit to electrify your biking experience and enjoy the ride to the fullest.